um, different stakeholders in business, in politics, in ordinary men and women on the streets. They're showing and they're raising their hands and they are saying, we want to fix Escort. We understand right now that the whole world's eyes and ears are focused on Escort. So we are going to be the leaders of trying to make sure that this town does not fall trap into the looting or the destroying and everything else. So different stakeholders, I'm talking business, I'm talking the police, I'm talking networks, business networks, I'm talking SMMEs. They're all coming together and saying, what is a permanent solution to poverty? What's the permanent solution to unemployment? How can we, as a community that we reside in the society, find solution? How can we come up with solutions? Because we cannot act that like the poor do not need solutions. The poor need solutions. And today I spent the whole day speaking to the captains of the industry, speaking to SMMEs, speaking to politicians, just to try to get their thinking, and I can guarantee you they are all on the same page. We want to see Escort alive and great again. It's a simple thing. We want to make sure that there is no poverty here. We want to make sure that there is no looting of our shops, because we understand the dire situation that we are in. There is a high rate of unemployment. So the little that we have, we've got to protect. We have got to protect with everything that we have. So now we're working together. There's a group, there's a WhatsApp responding group that the local police have set up, and business people are on it. Local people on the ground, politicians are on it. We are all united and we are busy, eyes and ears everywhere. We have eyes and ears everywhere, making sure that anything that goes wrong is reported immediately and the police rush to the rescue. I mean, what more can be done? And out of all of these things, the beautiful thing is we're now starting to find permanent solutions to poverty and unemployment. So we're sitting down, we're thinking of strategy sessions as a community, strategy sessions that will come through, and save our time. Positioning is everything. Timing is everything. This is the time to rebuild Escort and its people. And the community will be the driving force of the change. Well done, Escort. Well done for uniting. Well done for coming together. Well done for being on your tippy toes and alert. Well done. Well done to the SAPS. Well done to all the captains of the industry who are running the economy of Escort, who are saying, we won't go down. Let us come together and apply thinking and make one voice be heard. And that voice, we say, we love Escort, we protect it and its people. Thank you.